Have you ever felt so small before the majesty of nature? Join Protect Nature on an exciting journey where we will discover the wonderful mysteries of this planet. From fierce storms to erupting volcanoes, every natural phenomenon is an amazing experience, teaching us valuable lessons. Are you ready to embark on this fun and surprising adventure? Before natural disasters struck, this place was once fertile land. Dark clouds were gathering, signaling that a heavy rain was about to come. Mischievous raindrops fell like transparent crystals. It seems to want to become one with what it comes near. A giant tornado appeared, covering the vast sky. Trees tilted, branches and leaves fell under the attack of stormy winds. Each hailstone falling on the roof created a loud sound. A giant vortex column moved at high speed, creating a chilling sound. Each wave rolled up, preparing to reach the shore. A giant wave suddenly appeared, dozens of meters high. The storm appeared with strong winds, causing surrounding trees to collapse. Tornadoes move quickly, causing great damage in a short time. Thick columns of black smoke rose high, obscuring the sky. Volcanic lava rushed into the city, burning everything in its path. On hot, dry days, dry foliage in the forest makes it easier to catch fire. Like a catalyst, the wind accidentally blew, causing the fire to break out. Thick black smoke rose, making it seem more prominent in the night sky. The rain continued non-stop, making everything damp and gloomy. Flooded streets make it difficult for traffic to move. Large snowflakes began to fall thickly. The cold wind blew strongly, carrying snowflakes everywhere. Everything gradually sank into the white snow, unable to see anything further. This place is covered with a thick layer of white snow. The roads were covered with a thick layer of snow, making traffic difficult. Climate change accelerates the melting of ice at the poles. The sound of rain falling on the leaves is like gentle music. The sound of rocks falling to the ground crackled like fireworks. After the hail, trees were crushed and completely destroyed. The ground was white, as if covered with a layer of transparent crystal. The strong wind blew everything on the road, causing chaos. The giant rock suddenly fell from above. The tornado was like a giant beast that swallowed everything around it. The sound of the wind whistled continuously. The sound was cold and full of menace. The sky was pitch black, making this place look gloomy and scary. A fierce wind blew past and uprooted trees along the road. The ground shook violently, causing buildings to sway and fall. After the earthquake, high-rise buildings are now only pristine ruins. The vicious white wave moved towards the mainland. Like a giant beast ready to blow away everything around. Roads were flooded, causing traffic to be completely paralyzed. The water rose so high that the entire village was completely submerged. The heavy rain caused water to flood into the house, causing furniture to float. Thick clouds of smoke rose, covering the sky. The fire broke out fiercely, dyeing the entire forest red. Rivers, lakes, and ponds dried up, leaving only mud and cracked soil. The ground is cracked and dry when there has been no rain for a while. The sound of thunder was like a majestic piece of music, breaking the silence of the night. The dead silence makes the scenery here look scary. Cars parked outdoors were dented, glass shattered by large stones. The rain fell torrentially, large raindrops as if they wanted to penetrate everything. Objects flew into the air, creating a chaotic scene. The city is dim and hazy, engulfed in cold wind. A new day begins again, looking forward to a better future. Thank you for accompanying Protect Nature on our journey to discover the amazing power of nature. Recent disasters not only demonstrate the harshness of the earth, but also remind us of our responsibility to protect the environment and to be ready to face all challenges. If you find the video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to spread this message. Let's protect the planet, our common home, and see you in the next videos on our journey for a green, sustainable